Hello friends, so now we'll discuss about dictionary, and we will make a dictionary with two lists. So it means I have to take the dictionary key from the dictionary list 1, and value from the list 2. So like that we will make the dictionary using the list comprehension. Okay, so we can see that down here a key a value is 1, b value is 2, c value is 3, 8 value is 9, and 9 value is 7. Okay, so if I debug, it will fetch the answer within a second. Okay, let's see what happened. Learn 5, range 0 to 5, and direct it will assign into list. Okay, and printing in the list. So how it is happening? From here, see, from here what it will do, it will take the range. Okay, it will take the range of the length. From that range, list of I means first index, and is dividing with colon, and again list 2 of I, taking this one. So like that he making the dictionary. Okay, so this is a for loop is taking only range. So logic is this one. List 1 of the first index, and list 2 of the first index, we are making together a dictionary. So, okay, like that we can make it. So okay, thank you for watching.